Welcome to another video of GK. In this video, we will be presenting 50 important questions which will help you to brush up your basic GK. Please watch till the end. Subscribe and support the channel. Who discovered X-rays? Willem Röntgen. Which metal has the highest melting point? Tungsten. 3414 degrees Celsius is the melting point of tungsten. Which four elements constitutes 96% of human body? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen. Which element is most ductile of pure metals? Platinum. Who discovered radium and polonium? Marie Curie and Pierre Curie. Which elements naturally exist in liquid state? Mercury and bromine. Which gas becomes a blue colored liquid at minus 183 degrees Celsius? Oxygen. How many bones are there in a human body? 206. What are the chemical messengers of our body? Hormones. Which is the largest organ of human body? Skin. What are the blood vessels that carry blood from heart to different part of the body? Arteries. What are the blood vessels that carry blood back to heart? Veins. Who discovered hormones? Ernest Starling and William Bayliss in 1900. Which gland produces sweat in our body? Eccrine gland. Which are the Soldier cells of our body responsible for the immunity? White blood cells. Which is the only movable bone on our head? Lower jaw. Who invented the equal sign? Robert Recorde in 1557. What is the shape of a honeycomb cell through microscope? Hexagonal. Who discovered the circumference of Earth around 2200 years ago? Eratosthenes. Which word represents a number greater than any assignable quantity or countable number? Infinity. What is the mathematical term to represent the number 1 followed by 100 zeros? Otherwise 10 raised to 100. Google. Which number is the contribution of India to the number system? 0. Which is the world's longest ship ever built? The Sea-Wise Giant. Which was the first ever made motor car? Benz motor wagon. Which is the fastest aircraft in the world? North American X-15. This flight can attain a top speed of 7,274 km per hour. Which is the fastest fighter jet in the world? SR-71 Blackbird. It has a top speed of 3,529.56 km per hour. Which is the smallest drivable car in the world? Peel P50. Which is the world's first car that can be driven both on land and underwater? Scuba. Manufactured by Swiss company Rinspeed. Who made the first aeroplane? The Wright brothers in 1903. Which is the world's oldest metro system? London Underground. Which is world's largest aircraft? Airbus A380. Which is the oldest dinosaur identified from fossils? Nyasasaurus. How many dinosaur species had been discovered till date? 700. Which is the longest and heaviest dinosaur identified till date? Argentinosaurus. What are the only mammals that can fly? Bats. Which is the fastest land animal in the world? Cheetah. Name the excrements of seabirds and bats used in gunpowder and fertilizers. Guano. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Which is the smallest mammal by body weight? Etruscan shrew. Which is the only primate to produce the venom? Slow iris. Which are the air-breathing mammals that live in the water? Dolphins and whales. Which is the only species of spiders known to live underwater? The diving bell spider, which is called as water spider. Which spiders can change their color from white to yellow? Golden rod crab spider. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Bee hummingbird. What are bird feathers, beaks and claws made of? Keratin. Which is the only bird with a beak longer than its body? Sword-billed hummingbird. Which is the fastest animal in world on two legs? Ostrich. Which bird is in the national emblem of USA? Bald eagle. Which bird has the largest bill in the world? Australian pelican. Which is the largest bird in the planet? Ostrich. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos.